The cardiorespiratory field test that I chose is the submaximal 1-mile jogging test. This field test measures the individual's VO2 max by using a prediction equation. I will explain what materials are needed and how to complete the test. You will need an indoor or outdoor track, preferably 400 meters track if available, a scale, a heart rate monitor, a stopwatch, proper running attire, a pen and paper to mark down weight, heart rate, and time the individual took to jog the 1 mile, and a calculator to calculate the equation for the test. One limitation of distance running tests is that individuals are encouraged to run as fast as possible and give a maximal effort, thereby increasing the risk of cardiovascular or orthopedic injuries. The risk is greater for untrained individuals who do not run or jog regularly. This test is targeted for men and women between the ages of 18 to 29. Before starting the test, weigh the individual on the scale and make a note of it. Preceding the 1 mile test, the individual needs to warm up for 2 to 3 minutes. This can be done by performing various exercises like lunges, squats, or burpees for 2 to 3 minutes. After the warm-up, the individual needs to select a comfortable jogging pace. After pace has been selected, the individual can start jogging at the same time the stopwatch is started. The individual jogs 1 mile at an easy, steady pace, making sure they do not take longer than 8 minutes for males or more than 9 minutes for females. When the 1 mile is completed, stop the stopwatch and then proceed to measure their post-exercise heart rate. This can be done by either using the heart rate monitor or by using the palpitation technique at the radial or carotid sites by counting the beats for 15 seconds, then multiplying that by 4 to calculate heart rate. This will provide the beats per minute. Also, the heart rate should not exceed more than 180 beats per minute. Make a note of the time it took to finish and the heart rate. The information that was gathered for this test can now be plugged into the equation for the 1 mile steady state jog test. Enter the body weight in kilograms, enter the time it took to complete the mile in minutes, enter the heart rate in beats per minute, and either add 8.344 if male, or do not include this factor into the equation if individual is a female. This equation will estimate the individual's VO2 max. Strengths for this field test are less time is consumed, safe for participants while exercising at a submaximal level, minimal equipment required, it's inexpensive, can be conducted almost anywhere, easy to administer to large groups. Weaknesses are accuracy of post-exercise heart rate, and also results might be overestimated. Thank you for listening to my video.